video, we will know the solution to the case study question. That is a kind of questions that are being launched by the CBSE this year for class 10th mathematics. About a case study question, there will be a case study given. That means a paragraph kind of question which is related to a particular chapter of class 10th NCERT maths textbook. And based on the case study and the concept of the chapter, there will be 5 MCQ questions given. Out of the 5, a student is supposed to answer any 4, and each MCQ question carries 1 mark. So total marks for a case study question is 4 marks. And in this playlist, I have answered 40 MCQs that will give a quick revision to the complete mathematics of a CBSE class 10th for the coming board exam. Now here I read the case study. I'm underlining and reading. There exists a tower near the house of the person. The top of the tower AB with a steel wire on the ground, and on the ground it is tied with a support. Okay, so there is a tower AB and that is tied, connecting the top to a point on the ground. One day Shankar tried to measure the longest of wire AC using Pythagoras theorem. So here the case study or the question ends. With this information, there are 5 bits. Let us answer the first bit. First bit is written as like this. So I'm taking up the first bit. What the question is, what is the length of a wire AC? What is length of wire AC? So you clearly see a right triangle. So I'm drawing the right triangle here. In this right triangle, AB is the tower whose height is 80 feet. The complete question is in terms of feet. By the way, if you want to know the conversion, 1 feet is 0.305 meters, 30.48 centimeter. But we need not do any conversion. We can give answer in feet because choices are also in feet. And C is the point where that steel wire connects the top of tower to the base. And here something else is given. We are given BC as 60 feet. In the question, BC is 60 feet. And what else? We have to find AC. And it is a right triangle, so we can directly apply the Pythagoras theorem statement. According to Pythagoras, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of the other 2 sides. And here we should find hypotenuse length, which is 80 square plus 60 square. On simplifying, we will get 6400 plus 3600, and the sum turns out to be 10,000, means 1 beside 4 zeros, which is the AC square. And AC is what? Square root of this, and this is square root of 100 square. And the first question, what is the length of wire AC? AC is 100. You can cancel the square root and square. 100 feet. And the first question answer is B bit. Now let us read the second question. The second bit is, what is the area of ABC? This question is also as simple as the first bit. We are given a right triangle. Right triangle ABC. AB is the tower whose length is 80 feet. Base is 60 feet. And we are supposed to find area of triangle. So area of a right angle triangle. Area of right angle triangle ABC is a half of a base into height. And we are given base is 60 feet and height is 80 feet. This on simplification will get area as 2400. It is square unit. So we have to write feet square. And which option is this? This is the first option. Now let us answer the third bit. We are supposed to find the question is, what is the length of wire PC? Look into the diagram. We are given PD as 20 feet, DC as 15 feet, and we have to find the length of a PC. And we can clearly understand that angle D is 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem statement or mathematical expression to triangle DC. So in triangle PDC, we have PC square is equal to PD square plus DC square, and this is by the application of Pythagoras theorem. So by application of Pythagoras theorem we get this. And what is PD? PD is 20 feet, so we have to take square of it, and DC is 15 feet, so we have to take square of this also. This finally gives us PC square as 400, which is 20 square. 15 square is 225. The sum is 625, and ultimately PC is a plus or minus square root of 625. We'll take the positive number. Square root of 625, that is a 25 feet. 25 feet is the length of PC. And which option is this? This is the third option, the C. Now let's answer the fourth bit. What is the length of hypotenuse in triangle ABC? So we have triangle ABC. So answering the fourth bit, so we have triangle ABC. AB is the tower whose height is 80 feet. BC is the foot of the distance between point C, where the top of the tower is connected to the ground, that is C, to the foot of the tower, that is a B. BC 60 feet, that is mentioned in the first bit of the question, which is the 60 feet. Now the question is, what is the length of hypotenuse in triangle ABC? Length of hypotenuse in triangle ABC is, we have answered this in the first bit. Also, we can answer this using the Pythagorean triplet, because 6, 8, 10 is Pythagorean triplet. In that case, 60, 80 and 100 are Pythagorean triplet. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ABC and find AC, or we can directly take AC as 100 feet, since 60, 80, 100 are Pythagorean triplet. So length of hypotenuse in triangle ABC is 100 feet, which is A bit. Now let us see the answer to the fifth bit, the last question of this case study. What is area of a POC triangle? Area of a POC. So if you see the diagram, look into the diagram, we are told in the POC. So I'm just outlining that. I just first remove this so that we have no confusion. So triangle POC, area of triangle POC, we will apply half of base into height. So DC and this is O. PDCO is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal. So PD is 20 feet, so OC is also 20 feet. Opposite sides are equal. Similarly, DC is 15 feet, so PO is also 15 feet. So let me draw the small triangle here. Triangle is a PO, and from the diagram we will understand that PO is 15 feet and OC is PD, which is 20 feet. And what's the question? We have to find area of a triangle POC. Area of triangle is a half of a base into height. And plotting these values, OC is 20 and OP is 15. And we can see a simple cancellation here. 2 goes here. And we will see the direct answer. Area of POC is 10 into 15. That is 150. And since it is area, we have to write square units. So feet square. And this is the solution.